Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. Okay, Dakota, every time I go to do a video, look who shows up. But anyways, so I'm super excited. I got some stuff in, and one of it is my red truck and the lid, and I'm super excited. And there's other stuff as well. So if you like this video, please give it a like, and if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. What do you think? You ready to get into it? I think he's ready. All right, guys, let's get into it. So I am so excited because, you guys, I got my red truck and I got two of the tree toppers, the special delivery, I think they called it. I'm so excited because I have the black truck as well, and I'm going to put the black truck in the living room, and the red truck is going to go in my bedroom. And before I finish this video, I'll show you. Okay, so that's exciting. So the first thing I got was part of the fall, the harvest collection, and it's the apple and cinnamon sticks Scentsy Fresh. I am going through this like crazy. I absolutely love this scent. Now, here's the funny thing, is I'm not a huge fan of apple and cinnamon sticks in bar form. It's a little too strong for me. I don't know what it is, but in Counter Clean and Scentsy Fresh, I am obsessed. So now I have a bottle in my bedroom, and I'm going to have a bottle now in the living room as well, because I've been taking it back and forth. And so I just love it. I have animals, so I'm always worried that my fabrics are not the freshest, you know. I keep blankets on my couch in the living room because I have 4 cats, and the living room's kind of theirs. I never sit in there. It's so pretty, but I never sit in there. I sit in my bedroom. I love my bedroom and my office. Those are my happy places. So, you know, I put, you know, blankets, really pretty blankets, but blankets all over my couch so that when company comes, I could put fresh blankets right out of the laundry. And, you know, it smells good. I know, I worry. I'm very picky about my house. But the next thing I got, you guys, because I have animals for the carpets, is the all-purpose cleaner. And so far, the Coastal Sunset has been my most favorite. I use it in my mop water, and I also use it in my carpet cleaner. This stuff is amazing, and I love this scent. This is my favorite in the all-purpose cleaner. Okay, so now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the red truck. Now, I have wanted this for years. When it originally came out, I was a consultant, but I don't know what the deal was, but I wasn't able to get it. Maybe I wasn't paid yet, or like from my other job, or there was a reason why I didn't get it. I wanted it, but I never got it. So I'm super excited to have it now. So that little story was besides the point. We don't need to plug it in because it's an element warmer. But look at how pretty she is. She's spectacular. She is so pretty. That sound is going to make me crazy. But she's so pretty. When you turn it on with the switch, this little light, where's the light? Is there a light for this one? Maybe there isn't a light for this one. No, there isn't. But, is it? Does it? Okay, now we got to plug it in, because now I need to know if that light comes on. Most of our element warmers have a light that comes on, indicating that it is on. So let's see. Here's all the paper from the thing. Yes, the lights come on. Okay, so that is super cute because I didn't even know. The lights come on in the back. It's hard to see, but those lights are on. So that lets you know that it's on. Plus, it's just cute. In person, you can see it really, really well. So that's adorable. All right, so now I'm going to turn it off because we definitely don't want it on while I'm, you guys, I'm a hot mess. I'm a hot mess. I'm going to be holding it and stuff. And it's not that it gets hot, but it gets warm. It was already starting to get a little warm. All right, so now we're going to open up one of the, they called it special delivery cover. Now, we've had other covers in the past, but this is the one I really wanted, and I never got it. So, and like I said, I got one as well for my black truck. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so stinking cute. Now, if you guys know, I go with a whole like Western theme in my living room, so that's going to look so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. You guys, so it has stars on it, and it has like the little holes so that the scent can come out. And it just sits right in there perfectly. That is so stinking cute, you guys. Oh, I love it. It is so cute. I'm so excited. I gotta go get my black truck out, and so I could put this out there. Oh my God, I love it, you guys. So I'm gonna show you in just a sec. I gotta get my life together, but I'm gonna show you where I'm putting these, okay? So stand by. So this is where I decided to put the black truck with the special delivery lid. I think it turned out like so cute. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know. So this is where I decided to put the red truck with the special delivery lid. I think it's so cute. This is my bedroom. It's one of my like side tables. And I think it turned out really, really pretty. Look. You guys, the camper is still available. That is part of the holiday collection. And the red truck is still available as well. That's part of the holiday favorites. The lid is not available. And unfortunately, they didn't bring this one back, which I'm so sad because how pretty is it? And let's give a little shout out to my cowhide cowheads. Aren't they pretty? I got them on Etsy. They're so pretty. I love that one too. Oh my gosh. I just love it. I love cowhide. But anyway, so this is what it looks like in my bedroom. So what did you guys think? Did you like my setup? I'm so in love with my setup, you guys. So cute, right? Let me know. I still need to get for my bedroom. I want to get, you know, that sheet of like, it looks like snow, that fabric stuff that looks like snow, cottony. I need to get that for my bedroom. I think that would look cute. What do you think? Let me know. But yeah, thoughts? I'm excited, you guys. I'm so excited. All right, TGIF, have an amazing Friday, but have even a better weekend. Enjoy it with your family. Just chillax, go on a trip, do what you want, but stay safe and have a wonderful day. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.